beautiful diamond in the beautiful finger of your beautiful hand. It's looking good. It wouldn't have looked so pretty in someone else's hand. Am I right? Ladies and gentlemen, the diamond of Awadh's Nawab. Well, the diamond belongs to Mr. Goyal. He bought it, he sold it, incurring the loss of 3.5 million. You all are intelligent enough. I am naive. I'm still trying to learn. I'll take your leave, Mr. KK. Once again, I apologize for interrupting in your meeting. Sorry. I just barged in. Mr. Rao, I had an important work.
It's okay. Siddhant dear, you shouldn't have lied mentioning Miss Anushka like this. Why did you say that she fell down?
Who else should I have mentioned?
How did you think of giving me a treat suddenly?
They were accusing my dad. There is only one thing which he has: honesty. Till date, we never questioned him. Then how can you question him?
I did not question him, Siddhant. I never think about questioning anything at all.
I'm not talking about you, Mr. Sweetie. Those sharks. I taught them a proper lesson. The allegation they made on my father, I proved it false.
Very good. Very good.
And that's why I thought I should give you a treat.
May everyone have a good son like you. Keep serving your father and keep giving me treats.
No. You shouldn't serve someone so much. Otherwise, they will get spoiled.
I'll be back.
One more for me. Hey, Mr. Khattar.
Stop this drama. You didn't show respect to me when you should have. Now you're hugging me?
What happened, Mr. Khattar? Why are you so upset?
Hey, move aside. You want to know? You want to know why I'm upset?
Yes.
The other day in court you lied and defeated me. What did you think? Do you think I wouldn't find out?
Oh, let's discuss these issues in the court. We are in a bar. And I'm giving a party to celebrate my father's victory.
Oh.
Please join us. Please,
What
please.
to heck
please.
with you? Trying to be an obedient son. Hey, shall I tell you something? Just like you are shrewd, in the same way your father too is shrewd.
How dare you?
Siddhant, what are you doing? What are you doing, Siddhant? Leave him.
Hey, sit down, sit down. It's just a petty misunderstanding. Sit down. It's okay.
Just go now.
Sit. So, what were you saying?
What was I saying? Yes. I was saying that this trait of cleverness that you have inherited, it is in your DNA that comes from your father. Understood? From your father. He left his legal practice and became a sidekick of a rich man. Come on, move.
Hey! I don't spare the people, those who accuse my father.
Get lost. Hey, listen to me carefully.
Siddhant,
The truth is always bitter, Siddhant. The truth is always bitter. What do you think? What does your father do? He works for KK Reddy.
I won't spare you.
Siddhant,
He doesn't know me. I am Khattar.
My dad works with KK Reddy because they are friends. People like you are jealous of successful people. You couldn't be successful. That's why you feel jealous of them. You enjoy humiliating successful people.
welcome to the good old Wankhede Stadium, the Cricket Club of India.
What do you think?
And the match
Who's going to
today
win?
is with the Blue
I support
Brigade
blue team.
and the Yellow
The
Tigers.
Blue Brigade will win.
Coming live to you from the Wankhede Stadium
No.
as I am speaking.
The Blue Brigade will
It is
lose.
such a good-looking ground. And the weather
Let's have
is
a bet.
perfect. The Blue Brigade needs to put up a very good show today
All right.
in order to move up the ladder.
I'm with you, sister-in-law. The Blue
needs
Brigade
to
will
work
win.
on their run rate.
This is
But
the team
Yellow
which
Tigers
is going to
cannot
London
afford
by
to
the
be
first flight of
lackadaisical.
Goel
They cannot
Airlines.
afford to let this game go out of their hands. A very important match for both the sides playing today.
Then the Blue Brigade will not
106
win.
for 4. Vishal
I feel the
Bhardwaj is
same.
bowling very well. The batsmen don't seem to have
Great.
any answers to
Very
his
good.
very wily
You
bowling.
switched sides
The pitch
very
is playing
quickly.
up to the bowler.
How does it
46
matter
runs, they
if the
need
Blue
to
Brigade is
score.
taking
On the
Goel
next
Airlines
ball,
first
a
flight?
good delivery which was played up to the batsman and he's scored it very well. He's pushed it behind the stumps for another boundary. Superb work. He's looking for the block hole. It's a full delivery and he's played it exceedingly well. The batsmen
Many
are looking
things
for
are
runs
going to
score
change
really quickly
tomorrow
now.
morning,
And the
Sanjay.
bowler's going flat
Our
out.
flight
He is trying his best to get the batsman
will
in
take off.
trouble.
And this
And the next
entire
ball.
world will be
And that has been lofted
A
exceedingly
playground
well
for
for a
us.
six.
We are
That's
going-
a wonderful shot.
to become more powerful.
A timely shot that has helped the team
KK,
to score the runs that they
poor
badly
KK.
need now.
He'll keep watching us.
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू